Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining us on this beautiful Sunday morning. Today we are heading out with the Trail Addicts Toyota Only Fun Run. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Let him know I might roll back a bit when I start up here. So.
Okay.
Is he gone?
Are you going this way? What are you doing? Okay.
Oh, that was scary. The mirrors.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, driver's side mirror I tucked because it was
Wow.
that far. Really close.
You got one pissed off four-wheeler back there, eh? Because there's trucks in the tank trap.
Blocking the entrance.
It starts with one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away, it's so unreal. Didn't look out below, watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I put my trust in be alright. Cause me and my clique, we don't give a fuck. Trick Daddy, let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to break this thing up. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to break this thing up.
If you want some, come get some. Cause where I'm from, we so big. And everybody knows somebody that knows somebody that knows something about it. And I want answers now. Who, what, where, and why. See, a lot of dudes like to act the fool now. Get on live, but that ain't my style. Now who he gon' get and what he gon' do? Run up on me if you want to. Hot damn pressing his homies. He's done up in front of his mama. I'm up the floor with him. And I kick in the door and let the go get him. I got fools that'll go get him. That's for him and Pooh and the dudes that run with him.
If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to break this thing up. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to break this thing up. Let's go.
Gotta spit it for the murderers and the killers and the thugsters. They be fucking up the ballers and the dealers and the hustlers. Got me coming at you bogus in the PI while they bumping Lil Jar. I'm a Russian. It's a cycle to stuff from Chicago, rolling with the Miami. Then a crusher. We already be looking for drama. If a try to get into it with us, then we gotta get him. Feeling pretty from the torture that can never be true. When I'm penicillin, I'm telling you, trick, I'm finna steal 'em. Got me swinging Chrissy and Hennessy bottles in the club. And my thug homies going for the skrilla. Don't get it twisted with the overnight celebrity. You better be scared of me in my city, I'm a killer.
If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to break this thing up. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to break this thing up. Let's go.
I ain't that rapper type of right, and I ain't that acting type of right. Get something in my script, I'm a player. You just a square. See, once that Hennessy enemy, the whole industry's my enemy.